Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Bazai channel. Today I'm going to take you through a deep dive tutorial into something very special. The BioPython AI Agent. This isn't just a library review or a quick coding demo. This is a full workflow walkthrough where we'll cover what BioPython is, why we built an AI agent around it, how it can analyze DNA, RNA, and proteins, how to visualize results, build phylogenetic trees, and most importantly, how you can extend this into your own research projects. If you're a student, a researcher, or even a developer exploring computational biology, this video is designed for you. What is BioPython? Let's start with the basics. BioPython is an open-source Python library for bioinformatics. It's been around for years and is widely used in academia and industry. It offers sequence analysis tools for DNA, RNA, and proteins, algorithms for pairwise and multiple sequence alignment, parsing methods for biological databases like NumPy, functions for molecular structures, codon tables, and genetic translation. So at its core, BioPython is the toolbox. But what I've done here is transform that toolbox into a fully functional AI-powered application, the BioPython AI Agent. This agent takes care of data retrieval, pre-processing, alignment, visualization, and advanced analysis, all in a single web interface. Why an AI agent? Now you might ask, why wrap BioPython inside an AI agent? Here's why. First, bioinformatics workflows are complex. Normally, you'd write dozens of lines of code for even a simple sequence alignment. Second, researchers often want to focus on results, not setup. Third, by embedding AI capabilities, the agent can suggest optimal algorithms, guide you through analysis, and generate interactive visualizations automatically. So instead of manually coding every step, you upload your data, and the agent orchestrates the workflow, from raw sequence to full bioinformatics report. The tech stack. Let's break down the tech powering this application. Python, the foundation. Pandas and NumPy for efficient sequence data handling. BioPython for sequence analysis, alignment, and molecular tools. Plotly for interactive visualization of sequences, proteins, and trees. Flask or FastAPI to serve the web application layer. AI Agent Framework to orchestrate workflows, parse inputs, and generate structured outputs. This makes the application portable and scalable. You can run it locally or deploy it on the cloud. Core functionalities. Here's where it gets really exciting. Let me walk you through the BioPython AI Agent features step by step. Sequence retrieval. Fetch DNA/RNA sequences from NumPy or upload FASTA files. Example: SARS-CoV, 2-spike protein or human insulin. Sequence analysis. Compute GC content, nucleotide composition, sequence length, and molecular weight. These metrics are essential for genetic stability studies. Sequence alignment. Perform pairwise alignment between two sequences. Perform multiple sequence alignment for evolutionary studies. Algorithms like Needleman-Wunsch and Smith-Waterman are supported. Protein translation and analysis. Translate DNA into protein sequences using codon tables. Analyze amino acid composition. Visualize hydrophobic versus hydrophilic residues. Phylogenetic tree construction. Build evolutionary trees to compare multiple sequences. Understand evolutionary divergence and similarity. Visualization. Interactive graphs of sequence data, protein structures, and alignment maps. All powered by Plotly dashboards. So you're not just looking at raw text, you're interacting with biology visually. Real-world use cases. So how can you use this in real life? Drug discovery. Analyze protein targets for new therapeutics. Genetic research. Compare mutations across species. Education. Teach students DNA and protein analysis with visual dashboards. Healthcare. Explore human gene sequences to understand disease markers. This is where bioinformatics is heading. AI-powered tools democratizing biology. So to recap, the BioPython AI Agent brings together BioPython's rich library, AI orchestration for simplified workflows, interactive visualization with Plotly, and real-world biological datasets. With this, you can analyze DNA, translate proteins, build phylogenetic trees, and visualize complex data, all in minutes. I'll link the GitHub Repository below. Try it out, fork it, and build on top of it. If you have questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive tutorials here on Bazai.